We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers, indoor-outdoor warm, fuzzy, comfy house shoes, fluffy, wide loafer slippers. If you own these slippers, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers have quickly become a favorite among those seeking a blend of comfort, warmth, and practicality in their everyday footwear. Designed to cater to both indoor and outdoor use, these slippers offer a classic moccasin silhouette with modern enhancements that appeal to a wide range of users. With a bestsellers rank of #1, 982 in clothing, shoes, and jewelry, and an impressive #4 in men's slippers, it is clear that this product has resonated with thousands of buyers, earning a solid 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 37,000 ratings. From the outset, users consistently highlight the exceptional comfort provided by these slippers. The memory foam cushioning is frequently described as a standout feature, molding to the unique contours of each foot and offering a sensation akin to walking on clouds. This adaptive support ensures that the slippers feel almost custom-made, significantly enhancing the overall wearing experience. The plush fleece lining further contributes to the comfort factor, enveloping feet in warmth and softness, which is particularly appreciated during colder months or chilly mornings. Many reviewers note that their feet remain cozy without overheating, striking a balance that is often difficult to achieve in house slippers. Aesthetically, the Zigzagger slippers are praised for their timeless moccasin design. The attention to detail in the stitching and the overall construction lends a sense of style that makes these slippers suitable for more than just lounging around the house. Users report feeling comfortable stepping outside to fetch the mail or take out the trash, thanks in part to the slipper's durable rubber sole. This sole is engineered for both grip and longevity, providing reliable traction on a variety of surfaces, including wet pavement. As a result, these slippers are not only practical for indoor use, but also versatile enough for light outdoor activities. Durability is another area where the Zigzagger slippers excel. The combination of a sturdy rubber outsole and high-quality materials ensures that the slippers maintain their shape and integrity even after extended wear. Several users mention that the slippers hold up well over time, with the memory foam and lining retaining their comfort and support. The slippers are also noted for their ability to accommodate a range of foot shapes and sizes, including those with wider feet. While some users initially find the fit to be snug or tight, especially when new, many advise against returning them immediately. Instead, they recommend allowing a break-in period of about 2 weeks, after which the slippers conform to the feet and become significantly more comfortable. Over several months, the fit may even loosen slightly, providing a more relaxed feel. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, a few users express reservations about certain aspects of the slippers. For instance, some individuals with narrower feet report that the slippers feel too roomy, leading to a sensation of the foot swimming inside the shoe. Others mention that while the slippers are comfortable and sturdy, they do not quite reach the level of softness or luxury they had hoped for. These critiques, however, are often balanced by praise for the slipper's practicality, durability, and value for money. The slipper's construction features a memory foam insole that adapts to the wearer's foot, a faux fur lining for added warmth, and a rubber-like sole that provides both flexibility and protection. The materials used are designed to withstand daily use, whether indoors on hardwood floors or outdoors on concrete or pavement. The slippers are lightweight, with a package weight of just over 1 pound, making them easy to wear for extended periods without causing fatigue. Additionally, the slippers are available in a range of sizes, catering to different foot widths and preferences. Users in colder climates, such as New England, appreciate the ability to wear socks with the slippers for extra warmth, noting that the fit accommodates this layering without becoming uncomfortable. One of the most frequently cited advantages of the Zigzagger slippers is their value proposition. Many reviewers describe them as an absolute steal, given their combination of comfort, durability, and versatility. The slippers are positioned as an affordable alternative to more expensive brands, delivering comparable performance and style at a fraction of the cost. This makes them an attractive option for budget-conscious shoppers who do not want to compromise on quality. In terms of usability, the slippers are designed for ease of use. The slip-on style allows for quick and effortless wearing, which is especially convenient for those who need to move between indoor and outdoor spaces frequently. The slippers maintain their shape well, even after repeated use, and do not become overly stretched or misshapen. This resilience is particularly important for users who rely on their slippers for daily comfort and support. While the majority of feedback is positive, it is important to acknowledge the experiences of those who found the slippers less than ideal. A small subset of users report that the slippers did not meet their expectations in terms of softness or fit. Some found the initial tightness uncomfortable, while others felt that the slippers were too loose even when new. These issues, however, appear to be relatively uncommon and are often mitigated by the break-in period or by selecting the appropriate size. The Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers are also recognized for their suitability as gifts. Their universal appeal, combined with practical features and attractive design, makes them a popular choice for birthdays, holidays, or other special occasions. Recipients appreciate the thoughtfulness of a gift that prioritizes comfort and everyday utility. In summary, the Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers stand out as a well-rounded product that meets the needs of a diverse user base. Their key strengths include superior comfort, effective warmth, durable construction, and versatile indoor-outdoor functionality. The classic moccasin design adds a touch of style while the affordable price point enhances their appeal. Although some users encounter issues with fit or softness, these concerns are generally outweighed by the slipper's overall performance and value. If you're in the market for a pair of slippers that combine comfort, durability, and style, the Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers are a compelling option. The wealth of positive reviews from across the internet underscores their popularity and effectiveness. Remember, the product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide in-depth reviews. If you have personal experience with these slippers, please share your thoughts in the comments to assist other viewers in making an informed choice.